So I did something. I went shopping with my girlfriend Langley, not my girlfriend, but like my girlfriend, you know. Actually, really funny story. We were like walking past the Versace store and a guy, photographer we shoot with all the time, like came back behind us and was like, "What are y'all doing here?" He works at the Versace, yada yada. So he took us to the fucking VIP room and just started bringing us like all this shit to try on and like insert pictures and shit because it was so much fun. He brought like bags and whatnot, but then he brought these. The fucking Versace. I'm gonna put a robe on top of another robe right now. I've always wanted a Versace robe, and so when I saw this hot pink one and it was on my body, I was like, I can't say no. He wasn't even trying to get us to like buy anything. I just have no self-control. I got two, one for me and one for my friend Langley for her birthday present. Very generous gift of me, but it was so worth it. And now we get to twin. Kept the rest of my shopping trip not too crazy because mama spent a bag, literally. Ritzia, which I low-key want to cut these out and like make them art. This is so fucking me. I got this set, like a workout set, and it's very aloe coated. It fits perfectly on, and I'm really excited to wear this on y'all, but like it's not happening right now. We went to the Glossier store. I just got the Future Dew little serum. I've wanted this for a long time, so I'm very excited about this. The packaging is gorgina. Look at her. It felt amazing on my hands, so I'm really excited to use this. And the bag is so freaking cute. Glossier store was adorable. I'm gonna want to go back all the time now, and I'm not even like a huge Glossier products person, but I might be now. Miss Langley is a big Aesop girl, so I got this parsley seed antioxidant hydrator. Again, I swatched this on my hand and it felt really, really nice. Other products are very aesthetically doctor-y pleasing. Langley got me this, so we treated each other a little bit. Lastly, I went to Nordstrom. I got dresses for a photo shoot coming up. This dress is fucking everything. I need to show you. It's like a long around the neck polka dot outfit, dress, not outfit. Low back, and it is so cute. It's giving like Euro summer. I'm not fucking going to Europe, but I needed it. I was really looking for something red for the shoot, so I found this little, it's not little, long dress, and the neckline's like kind of cowl neck vibe, and it's really cute. I love like the texture on it. It's little flower lace, so fucking cute. And that concludes my quite obnoxious haul. You see me wearing this in every Get Ready With Me, mind your business. It was like my dream come true. I really wish I vlogged this because the trying on the shit in the dressing room was like unreal. I got like 3 clips, so I didn't make enough. Donatella Versace. My makeup's been on for like 9 hours and she's really not the fucking worst. I kind of ate today. But yeah, that was the slay of the day and I'm gonna hide my credit card now.